end of February, and we are sailing from where we've been. Where we're going.
On the water, finally. It's our first day. We had our first night last night sleeping on the boat. It was a little rough. I guess our first nights are always rough. We're finding sleeping on the boat, just having to try and get back in the groove and get used to it. We don't have birds where we're docking this time, like we did last year. No crazy birds. The only birds around, believe it or not, are mallards. We have little mallards walking around the docks, and they want to be fed and watered. So Jason had fun spraying them with the hose this morning.
Yeah, and this is 7 Mile Bridge.
Is it really 7 miles?
Yes, it's really 7 Mile Bridge.
Oh my gosh.
And then we are going to where that high part there is where we can go under, because with our big mast, we would definitely collapse our rig trying to go underneath that.
We have big mast, I cannot lie.
That's right. Other brothers can't deny.
But the water is that gorgeous turquoise color.
And it's 77.28 degrees.
The water or the...
Yes, the water.
The water is, it's like 75 outside.
Yeah.
No wind, but we're heading out to a coral reef to snorkel. So hopefully 77 degree water feels warm enough for me.
Oh yeah. We're having lunch at Sombrero Reef.
I don't have my sombrero on.
It's sort of a sombrero. It's a fashion-y bro. And there's another scuba tour. You know, it looks like we're really rocking is because we really are.
Yep.
If I try to keep the horizon in the camera, it's how much we're...
It's like a teeter-totter.
Yeah, it's a little crazy. But it's a super calm day. It's a super calm day out here. Like hardly, just barely any breeze, which we figured would be smooth water for snorkeling. So we are about to go snorkeling. The tower over the reef that shows this is Sombrero Reef. It's just rocking like crazy out here.
Woo.
We will get our sea legs. We'll get our sea legs faster than we think.
Are you gonna wear the
Yeah. We're in the water.
You gotta video the boat so it's not really rocking that bad now.
Yeah, and we were gonna video the boat rocking.
It calmed down though.
Yeah, calm down. But before it was like rocking like crazy.
Yeah, it calmed down.
About what I was about to do is blow chunks like that.
Yeah.
It's rocking.